Number 1. What's your name? Number 2. Where do you live? Number 3. How's it going? Number 4. Where does she work? Number 5. Where are they from? Number 6. How many people are in your family? Number 7. Hey, what's new? Number 8. What does he do? Number 9. What do you do in your spare time? Number 10. What does your father do for a living? Hi, I don't think we've met. My name's Tom.
Hi, Tom. Nice to meet you. My name is Juanita, but everybody calls me Jenny.
Nice to meet you, Jenny. So, where are you from?
Well, I'm originally from Argentina, but we moved to the United States when I was about 5 years old.
Oh.
My parents now live in Chile. That's where they first met. How about you, Tom?
I was born in Fresno, California, and we lived there until I was 7. Then, since my father worked for the military, we moved all over the place.
Oh, yeah? Where are some of the places you've lived?
Mostly we lived overseas. We spent 10 years in Korea, Germany, and Japan, and then we were transferred back to the States 3 years ago.
Wow. It sounds like you've had an interesting life. So what do you do now?
I'm a university student.
Oh, really? What are you studying?
I'm majoring in psychology. How about you? What do you do?
Well, I'm working as a sales representative for a computer company called COM1 downtown.
No kidding. My brother works there too. Hi, my name's Greg, and I'm originally from Denver, Colorado. But my family moved to Arizona when I was about 3, so I grew up there. I graduated from high school about 3 years ago, and I'm currently attending a university in my city. I'm a junior, and I'm majoring in economics with a minor in Spanish. I also work part-time as a cashier at a grocery store. Life is really busy, but I enjoy hiking, reading, and hanging out with friends in my free time. When I graduate, I want to work for a company in this area. Hi, what was your name again? I can't keep straight all the students' names, this being the second day of school.
It's okay, I have a hard time remembering names myself.
Now, Karen, right?
No, it's Nancy. My mom's name is Karen.
Nancy, okay. I think I heard you were from England.
Well, I was born there, but my parents are American. I grew up in France.
Oh, a world traveler.
But then we moved here when I was 9.
So, what does your father do now?
Well, he's a college professor and he's in Scotland at the moment.
How interesting. What does he teach?
Oh, I haven't a clue. Nah, just joking. He teaches chemistry.
Oh, chemistry. And what about your mother?
She works full-time at home.
Oh, and what, does she have her own business or something?
Nah, she takes care of me.
Well, being a homemaker can be a real hard but rewarding job.
I think so too.